Hello, welcome to this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Purvam. Today we are so much excited because we are going to buy iPhone 15 256GB and black color. We have booked this iPhone around 4 days ago, and today we got call from the Apple store that the phone is available now and you can buy. Today is 22nd of September 2023 and it just got launched today morning only. I mean, it got available on every store just from today, and we are going to buy this. So let's go. So guys, we have now set up the iPhone 15 256GB and black color. The phone quality, the first look is amazing, is awesome. The build quality look very much premium. Let me show you about the main thing is camera. I have to set up so much apps, but for now I'm just going to show you the camera. You can see so many modes here. Time lapse, slow motion, which have HD 240 and I guess to 120 as well. Then we have cinematic. The cinematic thing is really amazing that they have auto focus thing here, so when you are switching the faces, it will automatically take a focus on the face. The next we have is video, which have 4K 60 30 24 MP frame per second, that is 24 frame per second. Then we have normal photo, which will take portrait itself. You don't have to switch to portrait specially, but it will capture from here only. And the last one is pano. So yes, at first look of iPhone 15, very much premium, and for this price, yes, I can say this is worth to buy. So that was the video, guys. I hope you liked the unboxing part and the amazing iPhone 15. So thank you very much for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, please comment. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.